Establishing FDI in the healthcare sector, key considerations. Establishing a foreign direct investment (FDI) enterprise in Vietnam's healthcare sector is garnering significant attention due to the market's strong growth potential. However, to ensure success and compliance with legal regulations, investors must consider several critical factors. Below are key points to note when setting up FDI in Vietnam's healthcare sector. 1. Understanding legal regulations. The healthcare sector in Vietnam is a conditional industry, subject to stringent legal oversight. Investors should thoroughly research Investment Law 2020 and related decrees, which outline regulations for conditional business sectors. Pharmacy Law 2016 and Medical Examination and Treatment Law 2023, applicable to activities such as pharmaceutical production, medical equipment trading, or healthcare service provision. WTO commitments and free trade agreements, FTAs. The healthcare sector has restrictions on foreign ownership ratios, particularly for hospitals and clinics. Note: investors must obtain licenses from the Ministry of Health or relevant authorities before undertaking specific activities, such as opening hospitals, clinics, or importing medical equipment. 2. Choosing the investment structure. Investors can select suitable investment structures, including 100% foreign-owned enterprise, ideal for activities like medical equipment manufacturing or pharmaceutical distribution, where there are no restrictions on foreign ownership. Joint venture with a Vietnamese partner, commonly used for hospital or clinic projects, which often require significant minimum capital investment. Business cooperation contract, BCC, suitable for projects that do not require establishing a new legal entity. Note: the choice of investment structure should align with business objectives and specific healthcare regulations. 3. Meeting facility and personnel requirements. The healthcare sector demands strict compliance with facility standards, particularly for hospitals, clinics, or pharmaceutical production facilities. Additionally, personnel must meet specific criteria. Doctors and healthcare staff must hold professional licenses issued by competent authorities in Vietnam. Foreign personnel must obtain professional licenses from foreign authorities and a work permit in Vietnam. Note: non-compliance with these requirements may result in operational suspension or administrative penalties. 4. Investment capital and approval process. The healthcare sector often requires substantial capital due to high costs for facilities and advanced technology. Investors should prepare minimum capital. Certain sectors, such as private hospitals, may require specific statutory capital. Approval process involves investment registration, obtaining a business registration certificate, and securing related sub-licenses from the Ministry of Health. Note: the approval process may take 2 to 6 months, depending on the project type and complexity. 5. Understanding the market and competition. Vietnam's healthcare market is growing rapidly, with significant demand for high-quality medical services. However, competition is intensifying with the involvement of private hospitals, international clinics, and major pharmaceutical companies. Investors should conduct local market research to identify specific needs, e.g., premium healthcare services or specialized medical equipment. Develop a robust marketing strategy to reach Vietnamese consumers. 6. Complying with tax and financial regulations. FDI enterprises in the healthcare sector must adhere to Vietnam's tax regulations, including corporate income tax, CIT, 20%, with potential incentives in certain cases. Value-added tax, VAT, applicable to medical products and services, with some exemptions available. Note: partnering with legal and accounting firms in Vietnam can ensure compliance with financial regulations. 7. Culture and language. The healthcare sector requires direct interaction with patients and local partners. Investors should consider language. Staff should be proficient in Vietnamese or supported by interpreters. Culture. Respecting local culture, especially in healthcare service delivery, fosters goodwill with customers. Conclusion: establishing FDI in Vietnam's healthcare sector offers immense potential but comes with legal, financial, and cultural challenges. Thorough preparation, regulatory compliance, and collaboration with local partners are key to success in this field. Join the discussion at FDI.